Today, I'm here to talk to you about pouring into others without emptying yourself. What's in your heart? Because what's inside your heart is what flows out in the world. A heart that is full of anxiety pours fear. A heart that is full of stress pours impatience. A heart that is full of exhaustion pours irritability. And a heart that is full of pain pours silence and distance. But a heart that is full of peace pours wisdom. A heart that is full of gratitude pours generosity. A heart that is full of joy pours encouragement. And a heart that is full of purpose pours leadership. So I ask the same question. What's in your heart? Because if you want to change what you give to the world, you must first change what you allow to fill your heart.